Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this girl name generator tool to come up with baby girl names. Alright, so if you can have a baby girl and you want to come up and you want to generate girl name ideas, this is a free tool we have built called girl name generator. You can access it via girlnamegenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below, so you can click on that link and check the tool out and use it to generate girl name ideas. And as you can see, it is a big database of thousands of baby girl names, and all you have to do is add three options. So if you want a girl name that starts with a certain letter, you can add that here. Then you can add the length of the name. So these are the most popular options, but you can also choose any length. And then you can also select the nationality of the girl name. So you can generate African girl name ideas, American girl name ideas, French girl names ideas, German, Indian, Japanese baby girl names, and Russian baby girl names. But let's say we want American right now. And let's say we want the names to have 5 letters, then click on generate names. And as you can see, it will generate 5 names for you. If you do not like it, you can change the length and it will generate new names for you. We also have a boy name generator tool. I will also link that in the description below. And this is an absolutely free tool that you can use. And if you have any feature requests or ideas how we can further develop this tool, you can let us know in the comment section below. And you can also, if you found a good baby girl name or you want to further develop this tool, you can also buy us a coffee. I will link the page to the Buy Us Coffee page here, so you can also donate to this project so we can further develop it. But all in all, this is how to use the girl name generator tool on girlnamegenerator.com to generate baby girl name ideas.